What do we have here? Oh my goodness. Okay. FYI, you do not need to be a bodybuilder to get this out of the back of the truck. I'm not a bodybuilder. I got it out without much trouble. No strain to the back or anything, if that's a concern you had. Anyway, as some of you guys in the Discord server may know, I am getting into some home projects here. Had to get some new tools and stuff that I didn't have before, and now I don't have anywhere to put them. So that's when I ran up to the Harbor Freight and grabbed this bargain special here. 46-inch 9-drawer workbench here, or toolbox. It does have a wooden top on it that you'll see here shortly once it's unboxed and put together. What a daggum mess. Okay. Oh my goodness, all these tools need a place to go. Here's the project. Get these out of here. Got some of that cleaned out. Push it up that hill solo. Once again, it's only like 175-ish pounds packed, so you got this. I'm gonna go ahead and bust out the flexible metal ruler here, in case you're wondering if it'll fit in the back of your hatchback or something. I'll get to the unboxing here in just a sec. 33.5 inches tall, 49 inches wide, 21 inches deep. So, there you go. Snip. Get the right tool for the job. Okay. Snip. 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 Those straps are sharp. Wear gloves. I won't show you my other hand. Always keep your original box in good condition. Also, Mama always told me to keep the original box in case you need to return it. Okay. It's definitely well packaged. Just not going to get damaged in shipping, hopefully. It's good that they care. Woohoo! Dog. Wow. That feels good. Good quality. Where are the wheels? Inside? That lock sounds good quality. Oh, what in the world? Oh. There are no wheels in this box. There's also no handle in the box either. You know, the handle that's supposed to go right here. Great job, Harbor Freight. Just a second, guys. All right, boys, I'm back from the horrible freight. They hooked me up. Here's the wheels and all that. It was only about 45 minutes each way, so that about $15 of gas to go back there again. Let's get it open. Okay. Ooh, what do we have here? It looks like you can mount the handle on either side. There's threaded inserts there. I'm going to put it on this side. And also, since I'm doing that, I need to put the swivel casters on this side as well. And the yeah, that, by the way, that's easy once again to lift this over here. Just make sure you scratch the paint on the floor. It's a good size for you to handle by yourself if you have to. This box does seem really well built and good quality. There's some orange peel in the paint, but, you know, about as much as a new Lincoln Navigator would have on it. There you go. Oh, they shorted me one flat washer. 12 millimeter head. It's also got some Allen looking things in there too. Beep, 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 beep. All right. That's on. Go ahead and throw away this one-time use wrench. Look at that big bad mamma jamma. Should I put a coat of stain on this? Ooh, it's so smooth. Oh, there's a hump right here. A little bit. Nah, it's all right. Little ding right there. See? There's no lever that you slide to unlock it. It just has the mechanism that sort of you push into it. It's that rubber retainer, you see? Watch this. See? Those are known to wear out occasionally. I believe on these type of boxes here, I had a US General like that, and it wore out. But for occasional use, home ownership, I think those retainers should last a long time. This is nice. Might be able to bolt a vise or something to it. feels good and well built for the price especially. It does come with all these drawer liners that you can lay in the drawers and make it all nice. Feels like there's bolts or something holding this top on here, so there is metal. So if you want to mount something on here, you will have to drill down about, I don't know, 1.25 inches, an inch. Yeah, this'll work. It's not as low down as I was concerned it would be. I'm 6'5", and I can lean on it just fine. Since it's relatively narrow compared to another toolbox, which let me compare that side by side in a minute. Since it's more narrow, it can fit in tighter places and not stick out as much. Little side by side comparison here to my Matco 56-inch. You know, it's really not, sorry about the mess, it's really not that much smaller than I was expecting it to be, based on the pictures and the price. What does that look like? About 50% deeper? Not even that much taller. Yeah, and this is a dealership level toolbox right here in the back. So, I mean, this really isn't that small. I'll put a few things in it on camera for you, but also wanted to mention if you're starting out as a oil changer or something in the dealership environment or automotive shop, this is a great choice for you. This is a good box for $300. Really easy to put together too. Great top on it. This is impressive. That is not cheap wood. That is stout. It's pretty thick too. It's about 3/4 inch. Wow. Where should I put it? I'm thinking over there. The drawers have the same depth. Let me put a couple things in here for you so you can get an idea of the size. Here's a grinder here, plug-in grinder. The masonry bit on it. Oh! Have to put that in one of the bigger drawers on the bottom. See, down here, these two bottom ones are about the same height. This ought to fit in there great. I need to put the liners in there still, so I'll be careful. Oh yeah, more than enough. You could probably stack 2 of these. Another interesting fact here is that the whatever you can fit in the drawer up to the height of this silver trim here will fit. I know the drawer kind of looks shorter here, but as you can tell, you can fit up to here. Here's a square. It goes up to like 24 inches, kind of a bigger one, possibly. So as you can tell, it fits on here great on the top. And oh, look at that. Not quite in there, unless you just put it at an angle. That's, you know, just to give you an idea. Let me put some automotive tools in here too. Can it hold a 1/2 inch impact? Let's see, with a battery on it. All be dipped. All you guys starting out, changing oil, entry-level technician, great box for you. And you can slam stuff down on here if you want. Get one of my long wrenches here, 22, about the biggest wrench you can expect to have in your set as a mechanic. Just take one of these smaller drawers here, and would you look at that? Great fit. You can get yourself, you can put long wrenches in one drawer, short wrenches in another drawer. The sky is the limit. Heck, even for the more advanced level technicians, this is a good choice for you too, along with maybe their roll cart or something like that, and fit some extra stuff in. But if you've got a lot of tools, obviously, you know, may not be the best choice. But one other thing, I noticed when I had it out of the box without the wheels on it, it looked like it would have been a great topper for another box. Maybe not a standard size dealership level or mechanic level box like this, but I'm thinking, now hear me out, if you get another one of these and you don't put the wheels on it or the handle, stack it right on top of this. The top drawer would be about right here. I think if you're about 6 foot tall, that'd be great to get up in there and store stuff. You'll be able to see it. Yeah, I think doubling one of these up would be awesome. And affordable too. $650 for 2 of them. That's a lot better than buying like a Matco or Snap-on big box or something like that. Heck, if you get one of those big Snap-on boxes and you get the side cabinets and you get the hutch or a double chest, you know, you could spend $15,000 or $20,000 on that. And this is awesome right here. Guys, I sure do hope this video helps you out here. I'm really happy with this. It's for a few $100s, you can't beat it. Double it up if you want to. Have yourself a ton of storage. Get a little roll cart if you're a mechanic. That'll treat you great right here. Guys, you have a great day, and happy toolbox hunting. Okay.